Embark on the journey of a lifetime, the best first international trip. Discover the magic of your first international adventure. In this video, we'll help you decide your first international adventure should be. The mere thought of traveling abroad for the first time fills the heart with a sense of wonder and excitement. It's an experience like no other, where every step you take leads you into a world of new cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable memories. This journey is not just about visiting new places. It's about fulfilling your wanderlust and indulging in the magic that comes with exploring unfamiliar territories. From navigating bustling city streets to marveling at ancient wonders, your first international trip promises to be an extraordinary voyage of discovery. Imagine tasting exotic cuisines that tantalize your taste buds, or immersing yourself in vibrant local traditions that captivate your senses. Each moment will be etched in your memory forever, as you embrace the beauty and diversity that our world has to offer. So pack your bags, open yourself up to endless possibilities, and get ready to embark on an adventure that will leave you awestruck. Your first international travel experience awaits, ready to ignite a passion for exploration within you. Choosing the perfect destination for your first international trip. Discover the perfect destination for your first trip abroad. Imagine strolling through exotic locations where every corner tells a story. From ancient ruins steeped in mystery to bustling markets brimming with local delicacies. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment to let us know your opinion. Exploring Europe's rich history and cultural marvels. European travel destinations are renowned for their historical significance and architectural wonders. Cities like Rome, with its magnificent Colosseum, and Vatican City, offer a glimpse into ancient civilizations that shaped our world. Paris, the City of Lights, beckons with its iconic Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum, housing masterpieces like the Mona Lisa. For those seeking a taste of medieval charm, Prague's stunning Prague Castle and Charles Bridge transport visitors back in time. In Barcelona, the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia stands tall as an architectural masterpiece by Antoni Gaudí. But Europe's cultural marvels extend beyond its cities. The breathtaking landscapes of Santorini in Greece or the picturesque fjords of Norway showcase nature's artistic prowess, unleashing adventure in Asia's vibrant and diverse destinations. Asia boasts an array of travel destinations that are sure to leave you in awe. Whether it's the majestic temples of Cambodia, the bustling streets of Tokyo, or the serene beaches of Bali, each country offers its own unique blend of culture and beauty. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, Asia has no shortage of thrilling experiences. From hiking through the lush mountains of Nepal to diving with sharks in the crystal-clear waters of the Philippines, adventure enthusiasts will find their hearts racing at every turn. But it's not just about heart-pounding excitement. Asia also offers unparalleled opportunities for cultural immersion. Immerse yourself in the rich traditions in India and customs found in Thailand and Vietnam. Explore Asian ancient ruins. Taste exotic cuisines in the floating markets, and witness Asian colorful festivals that will transport you into a world like no other. Marveling at nature's wonders in North and South America. Marvel at the breathtaking natural wonders that adorn the landscapes of North America and South America. From the vast, untamed wilderness of Alaska to the vibrant rainforests of Brazil, this continent is a treasure trove of awe-inspiring destinations just waiting to be explored. In North America, one cannot help but be captivated by the majestic beauty of Niagara Falls, where millions of gallons of water cascade down with an incredible force. The Grand Canyon in Arizona leaves visitors in awe with its sheer size and magnificent geological formations, as if nature itself had carved out a masterpiece. Venturing further south, we find ourselves in South America, which is home to some truly extraordinary natural wonders. The mighty Iguazu Falls, straddling both Argentina and Brazil, will leave you speechless as you witness hundreds of cascades plunging into a lush tropical setting. The Galapagos Islands in Ecuador offer a unique opportunity to witness an abundance of diverse wildlife found nowhere else on Earth. Mother Nature has truly bestowed her most spectacular creations upon the Americas. Whether it's exploring the pristine beauty of Patagonia or immersing oneself in the vibrant biodiversity of Costa Rica's rainforests, each corner holds its own allure and leaves visitors humbled by its grandeur. Don't forget to subscribe, comment to let us know your opinion. soaking up sun and fun in stunning beach destinations. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the world of stunning beach destinations, perfect for first-time international travelers seeking a tropical getaway. These breathtaking locations are the epitome of sun, fun, and relaxation. Get ready to soak up the golden rays and indulge in unforgettable experiences that will leave you awestruck. 1. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Prepare to be enchanted by the pristine turquoise waters and overwater bungalows of Bora Bora. This tropical paradise offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, with opportunities for snorkeling, diving, and exploring the lush mountainside. 2. Maldives. With its picture-perfect white sand beaches and crystal-clear waters, the Maldives is a true tropical paradise. Dive into the vibrant coral reefs, indulge in luxurious spa treatments, or simply bask in the sun while enjoying the tranquility of this idyllic destination. 3. Tulum, Mexico. Tulum is a captivating beach getaway that combines ancient Mayan ruins with stunning Caribbean coastlines. Immerse yourself in the rich history as you explore the cliffside archaeological site, then unwind on the soft, sandy beaches and swim in the turquoise waters. 4. Seychelles. Nestled in the Indian Ocean, the Seychelles is a tropical haven with unspoiled beauty. Discover secluded beaches framed by granite boulders, encounter rare wildlife like giant tortoises, and snorkel in the vibrant coral reefs. The Seychelles offers a true escape from the ordinary. 5. Phi Phi Islands, Thailand. Step into paradise on the Phi Phi Islands, known for their breathtaking scenery and vibrant marine life. Swim in the emerald green waters, hike to stunning viewpoints, and experience the vibrant nightlife on these captivating islands. Imagine stepping onto pristine white sands, feeling the warm embrace of the sun on your skin, and hearing the gentle crash of waves against the shore. These tropical beach getaways offer a paradise-like escape from everyday life, transporting you to a world where worries melt away and pure bliss takes over. Tips for planning an unforgettable first international trip. Embarking on your first international trip is an exhilarating experience that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. As a beginner, it's essential to plan ahead and ensure that every aspect of your journey is carefully thought out. First and foremost, familiarize yourself with the passport and visa requirements of your destination country. Ensure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure date, and research if you need a visa or any other travel documents. This crucial step will save you from any last-minute surprises or disappointments. Next, let's talk about finding affordable flights. With the advent of technology, numerous flight search engines are at your disposal to help you find the best deals. Be flexible with your travel dates and consider flying on weekdays or during off-peak seasons for lower fares. Keep an eye out for promotions and discounts offered by airlines as well. When it comes to accommodations, there are countless options available that cater to various budgets and preferences. Consider staying in budget-friendly hostels or guest houses where you can meet fellow travelers from around the world. Alternatively, explore home-sharing platforms that offer unique experiences in local neighborhoods. To make the most of your trip, engage in thorough research about the local culture, customs, traditions, and attractions of your chosen destination. Create an itinerary based on your interests, but also allow room for spontaneity and exploration. Lastly, don't forget about travel insurance. It may seem like an additional expense, but having comprehensive coverage ensures peace of mind throughout your journey. As you embark on this thrilling adventure, remember that planning is key, but also be open to unexpected experiences along the way. Your first international trip will undoubtedly be a life-changing experience filled with awe-inspiring moments that will shape how you see the world. Packing essentials. What to bring on your first international adventure? Embarking on your first international adventure is an exhilarating experience that promises unforgettable memories and eye-opening discoveries. As you prepare to set foot in uncharted territories, it's essential to be equipped with the right tools for a smooth and stress-free journey. Creating a travel essentials checklist for international trips is an absolute must for first-time travelers. From practical necessities to clever packing tips, ensuring you have everything you need will ensure a seamless and enjoyable adventure.